all. Today in this video I'm going to make a demo video of decision tree algorithm with email spam detection. Already with the same data set we have worked with some other algorithms, and finally we will make a comparison of the different machine learning algorithms we have worked with. For that, initially we are going to import the libraries which we have needed and also the data set. This data set we downloaded from Kaggle. You can just give email spam detection in dataset Kaggle download in Scholar, Google or any other browser which you are using. So in that it will just come the link and you can just use it. So this is the data set we are using. It is having nearly 3002 columns. So among that, this first 3001 columns we are going to use as the x variable, and the prediction variable, which is the 3002 column, we are using as the y variable. Here itself you can notice that this email is only the object type and another everyone or integers only. So we are getting the info. In the info itself they have given that 3001 one entries are integer and only one is an object type. Then we are just checking that we are having any null entries. It's not having any null entries, so we are just moving to the declaration of x variable and y variable. As I said previously, the x variable takes all the first 3001 entries and the y variable choose the last entry. Then based on this x variable and y variable, we are determining the x train, x test, y train and y test variable by using an test size of 0.25. That is, the testing percentage is 25% and training percent is 75%. Then we have worked with a random forest and we got a training accuracy of 100 and testing accuracy of 0.9737. Then we also plotted the ROC curve for this random forest. Then we moved with the support vector mission. In the support vector mission, we got a training accuracy of 0.8092 and testing accuracy of 0.7710. We also plotted an ROC curve for this SPM also. Then we moved with naive Bayes. With the naive Bayes also, we got an training accuracy of 0.9646 and testing accuracy of 0.9590, and then we plotted a ROC curve for this machine learning model. Then with the previous video we worked with the KNN and we got a training accuracy of 0.9064 and testing accuracy of 0.9590, and we also plotted an ROC curve for this KNN2. Now in this work we are going to work with decision tree. Already in the previous demo video itself I would have said that with every algorithms the only change is the use of the library and this variable prediction. Everything will be same only. So for that we are just calling the decision tree library which we are going to use in this algorithm, and then we are detecting the decision tree classifier variable. By using that we are fitting that is training our model by using the x train and y train variables, and by using that we are getting the trained results for confusion matrix accuracy score and ROC AUC score also. Then we are making the testing uh, prediction. For that we are using the testing variables, and for testing we will be working with predict function, and for this also we are getting the confusion matrix ROC curve score and also accuracy score and also ROC AUC score. Now you can see the values for the trained results and tested results is obtained. For the confusion matrix for the train and test, if you notice, means there will be some vast difference in the number. This is because we are using only 25% data for testing and remaining 75% for training. So there will be obviously a difference within training confusion matrix and testing confusion matrix. If you are using 0.50, that is 50-50, means there will be no much difference within training and testing. So in this decision tree training accuracy we are getting 100, and training ROC AUC is also 1.0. Then we are getting a testing accuracy of 0.9590 and a testing ROC AUC of 5962424. Then we are plotting an ROC curve for this decision tree algorithm. And finally I said that we will be making a comparison. So for the comparison we have called every model which we have done over here within us a single models variable. So the algorithm which we have used as of now are random forest, support vector mission, naive bayes, knn and decision tree. Every algorithms we have called over here, and then we are making a loop. Within the loop we are calling this models, and then we are using the fitting function to train this model, and predict function to test this model, and then we are declaring the values for accuracy, mean square error and R2 score, and then we are printing the training accuracy and testing accuracy of every models within this single cell. You can notice that the training accuracy and testing accuracy of every models is displayed within this single cell. Then finally we are making a table of making every models within every model's performance metrics parameters within this table. In this table we have made a highlight point. So within the highlight point, the least model which is having the least model which is having the least accuracy will be highlighted as red color, and the model which are having the highest accuracy will be highlighted in green color. So we will be noticing this difference. So as of now the different models which we have done, the random forest is providing the best results when compared to the other algorithms. Support vector mission is showing the lowest results. After random forest, this naive Bayes algorithm takes the place, and after that decision tree algorithm takes the place. Then comes the KNN, and finally the support vector mission. So this is the email spam detection with different machine learning algorithms and comparison. So in the next video we will be working with some other decision learning tree algorithm, some other machine learning algorithm, and we will also make and comparison with that algorithm, with those algorithm which we have made so far. Thank you.